The concept of uncovering a forgotten vehicle, often shrouded in dust and nestled in obscurity, carries a sense of adventure and history. These discoveries aren't merely about the cars themselves, but the stories they tell, of their creators, their owners, and the passage of time. Over the years, several barn finds have become legendary, not just for their value, but for the excitement and awe they've inspired. Let's jump in and have a look. One of the most celebrated barn finds in history is the 1967 Ferrari 275 GTB4, discovered in the French countryside. Left in a barn for over 3 decades, this extraordinary car became a symbol of automotive elegance and engineering. Despite being covered in layers of dust and grime, its structural integrity and rarity elevated its value to over $2 million. The car's sleek design and powerful V12 engine showcased Ferrari's exceptional craftsmanship and innovative spirit. Its rediscovery sparked admiration from enthusiasts, who marveled at the preservation of such a masterpiece, recognizing it as a testament to Ferrari's timeless design. This remarkable find also emphasized the importance of meticulous restoration. Experts worked diligently to return the car to its original splendor, carefully balancing the restoration process with the need to maintain its authenticity. The journey of unearthing and reviving this legendary vehicle became a story in itself, adding to its mystique and cementing its status as an icon of classic automotive design. Second on the list of standout barn finds is the 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, unearthed in a Connecticut garage where it had been forgotten for decades. Hidden beneath tarps, this car gained legendary status due to its rare alloy gullwing specification, a feature that astonished collectors and pushed its value to over $4 million. The 300 SL's iconic upward opening doors, which were revolutionary for their time, gave it a futuristic allure. Beyond its striking design, the car held a deep connection to racing, embodying a spirit of speed and innovation. This rediscovery wasn't just about the car, it was about reconnecting with a pivotal moment in Mercedes-Benz's legacy, where engineering brilliance met artistic elegance. The find reignited interest in the 300 SL Gullwing, a model that remains a cornerstone of automotive history. Equally significant was the discovery of the 1964 Shelby Cobra Daytona, a car so rare that its unearthing made global headlines. With only 6 ever built, its rarity alone captivated car enthusiasts and collectors alike. But the fact that it was found in a barn only added to the excitement and mystique surrounding it. Known for its dominant performance on the racetrack, the Shelby Cobra Daytona fused raw power with sleek aerodynamic design, fetching an astonishing $4 million at auction. This iconic car was the brainchild of Carroll Shelby's vision and relentless determination, meticulously engineered to excel in the world of motorsport. Its rediscovery wasn't just a celebration of Shelby's ingenuity. It also reignited the fascination with American innovation during the golden era of racing. The Shelby Cobra Daytona served as a reminder of the extraordinary craftsmanship and engineering that defined the golden age of motorsports. The stories behind these barn finds, including the Shelby Cobra Daytona, continue to remind us of the rich history and lasting allure of classic cars, each one a testament to the enduring appeal of automotive excellence. A piece of Ferrari's storied racing heritage resurfaced with the rediscovery of the 1951 Ferrari 166 MM Barchetta. Forgotten for over half a century, this extraordinary car once roared across racetracks, holding a vibrant history before quietly fading into obscurity. Its re-emergence not only reignited interest in Ferrari's pioneering racing models, but also underscored the timeless allure of cars steeped in rich histories. The 166mm, which fetched $1.7 million at auction, exemplified Ferrari's unique fusion of performance and heritage. Specifically crafted for demanding endurance races like the Mille Miglia, it stood as a testament to Enzo Ferrari's vision of marrying speed with excellence. The car's name, Barchetta, translating to little boat in Italian, paid homage to its distinctive aerodynamic design, a hallmark of beauty and function. The rediscovery of this iconic vehicle wasn't merely a collector's triumph. It was a celebration of the artistry, innovation, and passion that defined Ferrari's formative years. It serves as a vivid reminder of how these historic machines continue to inspire, connecting generations to a golden era of motorsport and design excellence. Moving on to another is the 1967 Lamborghini Miura, marked the dawn of the supercar era, and its discovery in a UK barn created an immediate sensation among car enthusiasts worldwide. As one of Lamborghini's most iconic and influential models, the Miura's years of neglect were merely a pause in the story of this automotive masterpiece. After a painstaking restoration, it fetched $1.5 million at auction, solidifying its position as a cornerstone of automotive history. Widely regarded as the world's first true supercar, the Miura revolutionized performance and luxury in the automotive world. Its innovative mid-engine layout set a new benchmark for supercar design, influencing countless future models. The Miura's bold and striking aesthetic, crafted by renowned designer Marcello Gandini, continues to captivate car lovers and remains a symbol of timeless elegance. This barn find was more than just the recovery of a classic vehicle. It reignited global conversations about Lamborghini's groundbreaking contributions to automotive artistry and engineering. The Miura remains a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in design, performance, and innovation, forever shaping the supercar legacy. Another standout was the 1957 BMW 507 Roadster, a car steeped in rarity and allure. With fewer than 250 units ever produced, its abandonment in a barn in the United States added to its mystique. When unveiled, this treasure commanded $2.3 million at auction, reflecting its significance in automotive history. The 507 Roadster was a symbol of exclusivity and luxury, famously owned by icons such as Elvis Presley. This rediscovery rekindled memories of a golden era of motoring, when elegance and performance coexisted harmoniously. It also served as a reminder of BMW's craftsmanship, with the 507 standing as a timeless testament to the brand's ability to blend style and innovation. The rediscovery of the 1973 Porsche 917-30 Can-Am was a monumental event in the world of automotive history, celebrated as a testament to Porsche's legendary dominance in motorsports. Known for its unparalleled racing pedigree, the 917-30 was a technological marvel of its era, and its years hidden away in a barn only deepened the intrigue surrounding it. When brought back into the spotlight, this extraordinary car commanded awe and fetched a price exceeding $5 million. Underscoring the timeless allure of racing heritage and engineering mastery. Renowned for its turbocharged flat 12 engine and cutting-edge aerodynamic design, the 917-30 was one of the most powerful race cars ever built, capable of producing over 1,100 horsepower. It epitomized Porsche's commitment to innovation and their unrelenting pursuit of speed and performance, dominating the Can-Am racing series and etching its name in motorsport history. The rediscovery of this iconic machine was more than just an addition to collectors' lists. It was a celebration of the engineers and drivers who dared to push the boundaries of what was possible. Its unveiling reignited enthusiasm for an era of motorsport defined by raw power and fearless ambition, reminding fans and collectors alike of the visceral thrill that racing brings. The 917-30 story is a powerful tribute to the spirit of competition and the relentless drive for excellence that continues to inspire the world of motorsports. We cannot forget the 1969 Chevrolet Corvette ZL1, a unique piece of American automotive history, re-emerged from obscurity in the Midwest, capturing the imagination of car enthusiasts worldwide. As one of only two ever built, this rare Corvette stood out not only for its exclusivity, but also for its remarkable condition despite years of neglect. With a value exceeding $1 million, it became a highly sought-after treasure, embodying the creativity and bold innovation of Chevrolet during a pivotal era in automotive design. The ZL1 was a powerhouse of performance, equipped with an all-aluminum 427 cubic inch V8 engine specifically engineered for drag racing. This technological marvel made it one of the most formidable muscle cars of its time. Its rediscovery reignited passion for the American muscle car era, a golden age defined by unbridled horsepower, daring designs, and the pursuit of speed. This barn find was more than just a car. It was a reminder of the rich heritage of American automaking and the Corvette's role as an enduring symbol of freedom, ambition, and engineering excellence. Its story not only celebrated the legacy of the muscle car, but also rekindled interest in an era when the roads were ruled by raw power and fearless design. We also have the 1963 Aston Martin DB5, famously tied to James Bond, remaining one of the most iconic cars ever made, and its rediscovery as a barn find reignited widespread admiration for its cinematic and cultural significance. Forgotten in storage for decades, this legendary vehicle emerged as a symbol of sophistication, elegance, and timeless design. Auctioned for $1.2 million, the DB5's value underscored the enduring appeal of Aston Martin's craftsmanship and its association with the suave secret agent. While its connection to 007 undoubtedly added to its mystique, the DB5 was more than just a movie car. It epitomized the pinnacle of British automotive engineering, boasting clean, elegant lines, a powerful inline-six engine, and a luxurious interior that set new standards for style and performance. Its rediscovery wasn't merely a return of a classic car. It was a journey back to an era defined by innovation, class, and a sense of adventure that continues to captivate generations. This find served as a reminder of how cars like the DB5 transcend their roles as transportation to become cultural icons, uniting enthusiasts and casual admirers in their appreciation for timeless design and engineering excellence. Finally, the 1925 Bugatti Type 35, often regarded as the crown jewel of barn finds, stands as a timeless icon of automotive elegance and racing excellence. Discovered in America after decades of obscurity, this extraordinary car reignited admiration for Bugatti's rich legacy and unmatched craftsmanship. With a staggering valuation of $10 million, the Type 35's worth is a reflection of its rarity, historical significance, and the deep reverence it inspires among collectors and enthusiasts. Renowned as a dominant force in Grand Prix racing, the Type 35 was celebrated for its innovative, lightweight design and exceptional handling. It wasn't just a car, it was a masterpiece of engineering and artistry, setting new standards in motorsport performance during the 1920s. Its rediscovery was more than a find. It was a revival of one of the most celebrated eras in racing history, a time when skillful engineering and daring drivers combined to create legends. The story of this barn find is a testament to Bugatti's enduring passion for perfection and its unparalleled contribution to the automotive world. The Type 35 remains a symbol of innovation, elegance, and the relentless pursuit of excellence that continues to captivate generations of car lovers. Each of these barn finds carries a narrative that extends beyond the vehicle itself. They tell the stories of an era when cars were not merely modes of transportation, but works of art and feats of engineering. The excitement surrounding their discovery underscores a universal fascination with the past and the treasures it still holds. Through these finds, automotive history is celebrated, preserved, and cherished, inspiring new generations of enthusiasts and collectors. Each story adds depth to the legacy of motoring, reminding us that sometimes the past has a way of reappearing in the most unexpected and extraordinary ways. If you enjoyed this journey through the top 10 barn finds of all time, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories. Who knows, the next treasure we uncover might be even more incredible. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.